Welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to sort data by custom list in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let's understand this data. This data contains of a sales details in different dates sold to different customers. The item names is given here and the quantity sold is given here. My requirement here is to sort this data by custom list. The list is given here in the sheet 1. I want to sort this item name column in this sequence. First the laptop PC should appear, second the desktop PC should appear, third refrigerator, and so on. So to sort this data by this custom list, first of all we have to add this list to the custom list of Excel. For that, click on File tab, click on More, then Options. Here in the side menu, click on the Advanced, then scroll all the way down and here you have this Edit Custom List button. Click on it. Now this will show the predefined list here in Microsoft Excel. To add this custom list here, click on this Import List from Cell, then select the custom list. Now click on Import button. Here you see the list is imported. You can now close this or you can also click OK. Again click on OK in the Excel option window. Now to sort the data, go to your data sheet. Then first of all select your whole data. Then click on the data tab, click on sort. Now in the sort by, select the column based on which you want to sort the data. Here I am selecting this item name. Now in the sort on, select the cell values option which is by default selected. In the order you have to now select the custom list. Now click on this list that you have just added here, which is the sequence of the product that you want to keep. Now click on OK. Again click on OK, and here you see the data is sorted according to the list that you have created here. So this is how we do custom sorting in Microsoft Excel. And this much for today's video. If you want to practice this, you can download this sample workbook file from the video description below. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe and also turn on all the notifications so that you will get similar kind of video updates in future. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.